Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To create this kind of black sexy smoky eyes which is so glam and looks superb in the evenings. So let's get started. Guys, firstly, I don't like these lenses at all. They are from PAC and it is in the shade grey. I don't know why my eyes were irritating so much. And now after the moisturizer, I'm using the sunscreen. I had used a gentle moisturizer, and since the weather is a bit sunny now, so using a lot of sunscreen. It was the Neutrogena Dry Touch sunscreen. Still so irritated with the lenses. Let's see if I'm okay. I'm gonna continue, otherwise I'll just remove it off. And now for the primer, I had used this Nykaa Prep Me Up. It is a very nice primer for an affordable price and immediately blurs the pores. And now I'm using this Krylon foundation stick. My shade is 01. This is again a full coverage foundation, and usually all the makeup artists use this foundation for their brides. Now to blend the foundation, I'm going to use this damp beauty blender. Guys, you all can see this foundation is so full coverage. I don't think I need concealer after this. Usually I avoid concealer if it is not required when the foundations are full coverage, because I think that's enough. Only if required, I use concealers on the spots or just under the eye. But today I don't think I need concealer after this, so I'm just gonna use the compact to set the foundation. For that, I'm gonna use the purple Bake and Set banana powder. This is my most favorite. You all can see how much I've used this compact. It is in little bit of yellow undertone, which is so perfect to give that brightening effect. And now for my eyebrows, I'm using this black eyeshadow. This is from the brand Wet n Wild. It is a kind of grey color, so it's fine to use on the eyebrows. Guys, you all can skip doing your eyebrows if you all don't like to, and also skip the lenses. But otherwise also, if you all try to do this kind of eye look, it's gonna look very pretty. Guys, for any kind of good eyeshadow look, you need to blend. Guys, blending is the only key if you all need the perfect shaded or blended eye look. And now you all can see I'm not picking the color at once. I am picking it slowly and then darkening it as required. And now to add a little bit of brown color, I'm using the bronzer. You all can use any kind of dark brown shade or medium shade. Just apply it on the crease line, so that everything looks well blended. Oh, finally my eyes is feeling so better. But guys, I really don't recommend this lenses to anybody, because I don't know, it was too irritating in the beginning. It took around 20 to 30 minutes to get settled down, and that's not good for your eyes. O-lens is far better and a little pricey, but still very comfortable to wear. But these lenses, no, I really didn't like. And now you all can see, after blending the brown eyeshadow, I am picking again the same black or grayish eyeshadow, and now I'm just depositing it on my lid again to just darken the eyes, as we are doing the smoky eye look. So it has to be a little more of black. Guys, after mixing this brown color with the dark color, you all can see how well blended the eyeshadow is looking. There are no harsh lines. Everything looks very much blended. Guys, I have switched off my ring light now to show you all the actual effect, and now I'm gonna on it back. And yes, I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow again to create an eyeliner look. using this Miss Claire glue, the lash glue, to fix my lashes. And you all can see after fixing it, I'm just pressing it with my natural lashes. So guys, if you all want to learn how to fix your lashes, I have a separate video on it on my channel, so you all can have a check. And now I'm just pushing it upward. It's not happy with the lashes, it was not curling that well, so I'm using a curler on the lashes. And yes, wow, this looks very natural. Guys, be very careful if you're using a lash curler. I am used to using it from years, but if you're using for the first time, please be careful. And now I'm using this Wet n Wild mascara. This is a good mascara to separate your lashes and instantly curls and lengthens your lashes well. You all can also skip this part if you all don't know how to stick your lashes. It's fine. You all can directly apply the mascara. And now to bronze my face and give a light contoured look, I'm using this Wet n Wild contour. Oh my god, this contour shade is so beautiful. You all can see instantly it is contoured my face, but giving you a very natural contoured look. It is not that harsh and also looks so nice. It is a kind of contour with bronzing which gives you a nice sun-kissed look. Guys, if you don't like to apply blush, just do this. Just apply your contour and then push the contour a little upward, which gives you a very nice sun-kissed look with a nice brownish kind of defined face, which goes perfectly with this eye look. And I have used the kajal from Nykaa. I am bold, and now using the same contour shade, I'm just gonna blend the kajal to give a nice smudged and smoky look. I hope you all can see the difference when the kajal is smudged. And yes, this is perfect look. Here comes the favorite part of mine, the glow time. I'm using this Maybelline Rose Gold highlighter. It's a very beautiful pinkish champagne color. Just applying it on the usual places where the highlighter needs to show. Just below the brow bone. Oh my god, this is so funny. When I watch the video, I'm like, it takes the longest time for me to highlight because I just can't miss even a bit of highlighting anywhere. And here I'm using my little finger to just apply it near my tear duct, and you all can see instantly it gives such a nice, beautiful glam glow. Guys, I had used this Sephora lipstick but was not happy, so I'm gonna change it. I've just removed my lipstick and applying a little bit of compact on it. And here comes the final look. Here I've used this lipstick Versatile from the brand Maybelline Superstay, which is my most favorite coral lipstick. And you all can see this looks perfect for this eye look. Guys, if you like this look, please do give some likes, comments, and do love my channel. Bye bye.